Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one is setting one of the system wallpapers, the pre-installed images, and the other one, it will be for your own pictures. So the first method is go to settings, then go to wallpaper and personalization. Then you'll see wallpapers here, so you can go to the system wallpapers, some new ones or whatever. You can also click on find more and it will get you to that themes app, which I find really annoying, so I'm not gonna go there. So I'm gonna go to the system wallpapers, then you can select the one that you want to set, for example this one. Then you can click on apply and you can apply it to the lock screen or home screen or both. So I'm gonna apply it to the home screen, and now you can see it is on my home screen indeed. And if you want to set your own picture as a wallpaper, go to the gallery app, then select the picture that you want to set and click on three dots in bottom right corner, then click on set as wallpaper. I'm gonna allow all. Then you can of course click here to switch the preview to either the lock screen or the home screen. On lock screen you can also apply some filters like that, whatever, but I don't get how that works, so I'm just gonna skip that. Then click on apply and you can set it as lock screen, home screen or both. So I'm gonna set it as home screen, and you can see that the wallpaper has been set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.